Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A25, and today I will show you how you can wipe cache partition on this device. Now, to get started, you will need to grab a cable and plug it into your computer. I have it already ready, so it's plugged into a computer and we can then connect it to our device. So not sure if you heard it, but there was a sound from a computer. We don't need to allow access. So next we're going to turn off our device by holding power button and selecting power off. And when the screen turns black, hold your power button and volume up at the same time. Next we will see Samsung logo show up, and after a moment it will add Galaxy below that, at which point you want to let go of the power button. So Samsung, and there we go, Galaxy. This will then boot us into recovery mode, and from here, using volume buttons, we can select wipe cache partition. Once it's selected, press power button to confirm it, select yes, and it's done. You can see at the bottom it gives us confirmation, cache wipe complete, and reboot system now is selected by default, so we're going to press power button once again, and this will start rebooting the device. And also we can unplug the cable. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.